Hello.
Hello. After many attempts, we got mad.
Why is this thing go down? Fixed.
Yay.
For some reason, the Screen-O-Matic decides to break. So today, I'm hopefully going to get to the dungeon before dusk. Oh wait, so, yeah, before dusk. Do we happen to have a swiftness potion?
No.
Really?
Really.
Really?
Really.
You sure? That is where you are wrong, sir. For I have 4 in my thing now.
Yay.
So, for yesterday's stream, went on shorter than I wanted it to be.
Why was that?
Because somebody took too long.
What do you think that was?
You.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
We have many precious stones, by the way.
Yes, I know.
What do we do with them?
Make hooks, staffs.
How do we make like a
large
triple hook thing?
What?
How do you make the triple hook sort of thingies?
It honestly depends on the thing. It honestly depends on the hook. Which I need to look up how to make. Oh no, I'm already late. I'm already late.
We have a lot of glow sticks, by the way.
I love how the meteor theme is Blood Moon theme. Come on. I'd like to get to the dungeon quickly. Zombie, you're not helping.
I don't think it's his job to help. Fairly certain it's his job to hinder.
I'm trying to fight Skeletron. Actually, no, we might need throwing knives. Would you like a throwing knife?
I have 275 shurikens and 78 javelins. I think I'm good.
I made it! Why am I trying to use a harpoon against this skeletron guy?
I don't know.
Ow. Oh, I took off an arm. I just realized that. I just noticed.
You took off an arm?
Yeah.
Where'd you put it?
Disappeared. No. No. Yes. I think I might do this. Where is it? There it is. So dark. I'm gonna do a big risk. Yeah! There you go.
Ooh, I can make a copper watch.
We already have copper watches.
Ooh, I don't need a copper watch. You're right.
Where is he? There he is. We're both extremely weak. There can only be one victory. There can only be one victor. He is me. I got a new grappling hook.
Yay.
He's got 2 hooks.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how you make those.
Some cannot be made. Oh wait, you trying to make the rose hook?
I have no idea. I'm just trying to make something. I have all these gems and all these chains and vines. I made a whole bunch of vine rope. Oh, and I made a whole bunch of sticky bombs and sticky grenades.
Okay. I'm gonna go collect some books. And hopefully not die. I love the theme for the dungeon so much.
I know.
Huh. For those who are wondering why I've not been killed yet by the dungeon guardian,
Because I've already killed it.
um,
No?
No.
Oh. Sheer luck.
Because I killed Skeletron. We've been able to unlock the access to the dungeon. I found, the thing for the thing.
Yay, we found the thing for the thing.
I'm lagging here. I'm not sure about you.
I'm doing fine.
Huh. Who's running the server?
You are.
And I've not. Today's been extremely weird.
But we know where our classes are.
Please don't remind me tomorrow's school.
Yay, first day of school.
I don't like school. Hopefully we can find the mechanic down here.
Oh, is that where the mechanic gets found?
Yeah.
I always wondered where the mechanic lived.
Well, think about it. Dungeon has traps.
Yeah?
My sword did nothing against that skeleton. I found a golden key.
Yay.
Hello there. Goodbye there.
There's an Eater of Plankton quest.
Yeah.
That's the latest quest. That's today's quest.
Okay. You get onto that. I'm currently in the dungeon exploring. I might do a little bit of exploring. Oh, that's a lot. I found a yeah, I got a telecounter.
Yay.
I might
Those are very useful. You can count things.
Yes. Yes, you can.
Okay, in the corruption. Below ground in the corruption? Does it matter where in the corruption? Does it have to be on the surface? Could be.
I don't know.
Okay.
It just says corruption, right?
Right. Okay, well, I'm definitely in the corruption.
Yay! I got a large Muramasa.
A what?
A Muramasa. It's a sword.
Nice.
I found a bound mechanic.
What's he bound to do?
That's actually she.
She. Even better. Equal opportunity employers around here.
Yes.
Bombfish.
I don't like the debuff curse. Oh no, the mechanic's about to die. Sally.
Don't die, Sally.
It's too late. She might.
Will a mechanic show up at home anyway?
Yeah.
Sorry, Sally, to lose you, but we'll get a new mechanic anyway.
But she's not dead yet. She has like 40. She has like 50 health left. Not much, but something. I also got a bone molder. Yay! The Muramasa is a auto thingy.
Yay!
One of those auto swing. What? It has quite a big hurt box. It has